Time for another good GT race. Got 6 cars running. We got a Lamborghini on the right here. Audi on the left, position 5 and 6. 4 other cars racing. We got BMW, Ferrari, first and second place. We got Porsche, Mercedes, third and fourth place, time trials. Let's run 6 cars. See if we can get a good race going. Might be a dozen crashes here. Let's see what we got. "25 laps, let's get out of here." 6 cars running. Okay, we already got car being pushed around the track. BMW leading. Porsche number 2. Ferrari's getting pushed around. Lamborghini's getting pushed around. We got the BMW out of the race. Crashed. We got Lamborghini. Position number 2. It's already taken position 2. Porsche's inside lane. Not doing real well. BMW out of the race early. Couple more laps into it. Lamborghini leading. Got Audi number 2. Audi just took over Porsche. Lamborghini Audi, taking the lead. Porsche outside lane. Here comes Ferrari back, chasing Lamborghini. He's down a lap. We got a Lamborghini being pushed out of the race. Lamborghini regained control. He's back in the lead. Second place Audi. Third place Ferrari. Fourth place Porsche. Lamborghini's still leading. Audi right behind him. Mercedes being held up by Porsche. They're picking on Lamborghini here. Pushing him on. He's out of the race. He got crashed. Yeah, that was awful side of the track. We got 4 cars left. This is Crashville here, big time. Everybody's crashing. We got Audi number 2, Ferrari 3, Porsche 4, and Mercedes 4. Mercedes, Porsche is 3, and Mercedes is 4. 2 crash cars already pushed out of the race. You never know when you're racing what's going to happen. Here comes Audi. Audi just passed Porsche and Mercedes. Porsche's holding up Mercedes. We got Audi's still leading. Ferrari just passed Audi, but he's down a lap. Audi leading. Ferrari number 2. Okay, we got, Audi almost crashed. Mercedes still in the race. lines out, pushed out, crashed. Got 3 cars left out of 6. These cars get mean, they push each other around. It's like a real race. It's like racing SCCA, Porsches. Okay, we got Ferrari taking off here. Ferrari leading. Got Mercedes stuck behind Porsche. Porsche's inside lane. Oh, we got the crash. They're all crashing. We got flipped out. Mercedes flipped out, traveling too fast. We got Ferrari and 2 cars left. Go get them, guys. It's like a real SCCA race. We got Porsche and Ferrari. Ferrari's leading, pushing Porsche. Will Porsche get out of the blooming way? Oh, there he goes. Ferrari leading. Porsche back in the race, trying to race each other. Ferrari's right there. Ferrari leading. Porsche's left. 4 cars crashing. It's Wild West crashing here. We got Ferrari leading Porsche. Porsche down a lap. You never know what this racing. Every time I went out to race, NHRA or SCCA, professionally, I don't know if I was going to win, lose, or crash. It's tricky stuff when you race. Ferrari leading Porsche here. Down a lap. Ferrari's down, Porsche's down a lap. Yeah, you say a few prayers before you race, especially in SCCA. It can be tricky in NHRA too. Racing dragsters. You get to the end of the finish line first, but the dragster comes by you at 300 miles an hour. Blows your eardrums out. You got to maintain composure. At the same time, you're slamming on the brakes at 100 miles an hour to stop because there's a curve down the road. If you go around that curve at 100, you're out of here. You're in heaven. Your car will flip 20 times. Anyway, we're still racing. 4 cars out. Interesting. 6 cars running, 4 cars have already crashed. Pushed out. We got Ferrari leading Porsche. Porsche will not catch Ferrari. Ferrari's right behind Porsche. Lap down. We'll go a couple more laps. You never know if you'll have a good race when you're running 4 to 6 cars. Who might crash out? That's life in the fast lane. Okay, we'll go a couple more laps here. Before I got this sewed up, he took off early, left the Porsche. Porsche didn't crash out, but he's still running. So position 1 will be Ferrari, position 2, Porsche. Interesting race. 4 cars out. Turned on the side, flipped over and everything. All right, next to last lap. Here comes Ferrari. Ferrari got this one. Everybody else was leading. Audi was leading. Crashed out. All right, last lap. Here's Ferrari. He's got it. Ferrari got it. Here comes Porsche. Okay. He's still got a lap to go. He's down. The game is over. The race is over. It's Carrera, 6 cars. 4 cars out. 2 cars made it to the finish line. Interesting race. Got more racing coming up. It's Carrera GT Racing. This track is wonderful. Love it.